and welcome for your second online class for standard 9th. So in the first class I have taken up the introduction of Mrs. Vijay Lakshmi Pandit. So I hope I have given some assignments for you all to complete about the great personalities. Today, let me go for the lesson, the best advice I ever had. The best advice I ever had came from one of the greatest souls in the world have ever known. So you know that about whom this author is speaking. So it is speaking about Mahatma Gandhi on a sunny afternoon a decade ago. So about a decade ago, he is speaking about this person. Most people pass through a period of anguish when their belief in humanity is at a low ebb. So many people means everyone pass through the anguish. You know what is the meaning of anguish? It is a pain. It is a pain, physical pain. When they believe in humanity is at a low ebb. I was in such a period. My husband has recently died. My deep sorrow over his loss was followed by the humiliating realization that in the eyes of Indian law, I had no individual existence. So she's telling about her life history. Means who? Mrs. Vijay Lakshmi Pandit. She's telling that her husband has been dead. So on that sorrow, how she has come up in her life. That is humiliating means a stupidity in front of others. So along with other Indian women, I had participated for years with men in the national struggle for freedom. She also participated with other women regarding what? Regarding freedom struggle. Working and suffering side by side with them until it had finally been achieved. So she was working very hardly until she has been achieved. Yet in law, we women were still recognized only through our relationship to men. After working so hardly, then too, we women will be recognized only through the relationship of men. So this is ridiculous, no? Now, as a widow without a son, I was not entitled to any share of the family property. So sad. After the death of her husband, she used to get the property in her husband's side. So that property she did not get. Even for her daughter also, she didn't get. I resented this galling position. Resented. She was very angry with this type of position. I was bitter towards those members of my family who supported this antiquated law. And also she was very bitterly towards the people. Antiquated means outdated law. At this time, I went to pay my respects to Gandhiji and say goodbye before leaving for America to take part in a conference. So she wants to go to America. Before she is going to leave, she wants to meet who? Meet Mahatma Gandhi. After our talk, he asked, have you made your peace with your relatives? So she went and spoke to Mahatma Gandhi, and then after the talk has been completed, what Mahatma Gandhi said? He said that, have you made your peace with your relatives? So he asked, I was amazed that he would take sides against me. So she never thought that he is going to speak on behalf of Mrs. Vijay Lakshmi Pandit. I have not quarrelled with anyone, she said. What did she say? She said that I have not quarrelled with anyone. But I refuse to have anything to do with those who take advantage of an outgrown law to create a difficult and humiliating situation for me. So she's telling, I'm very angry. The people who take advantage of my widowness and also outgrown law to create a difficult and humiliating situation for me. So those people who are creating a humiliating situation for her. So on those people, she is very angry. And then, after Gandhiji looked out of the window for a moment, then he turned to me and smiled and said, so after she came out, she just again turned back through the window and saw Gandhi. You will go and say goodbye because courtesy and decency demand this. In India, we still attach importance to these things. So, what Gandhiji said, as you went out, again you turned back and saw me and smiled and said goodbye. So this is the decency where India has been attached with some important decencies. So this is what Gandhiji said. No, I declare, not even to please you will I go to those who wish to harm me. No one can harm you except yourself. So Gandhiji is telling, no one will harm you except yourself. He said, still smiling, I see enough bitterness in your heart to cause you injury unless you check it. So he is telling, no one can harm you except yourself. And also he said, still smiling, I see enough bitterness. But she's smiling. She smiled and said that, see you. In that smile, he can make out that she is having lot of injuries in her mind. There is a pain in her mind. I remained silent and he continued, you are going to a new country because you are unhappy and want to escape. So he said, you are going to a new country where you are unhappy and also you want to escape from this pain. Can you escape from yourself? He's asking. You want to escape from this place. Okay, but can you escape from yourself? He's asking. Will you find happiness outside when there is bitterness in your heart? So, when you go out with this pain, are you able to be happy? Who asked this question? This question was asked by who? By Mahatma Gandhi. So, think it over. So, he said, think it over. Be a little humble. You have lost a loved one. That is sorrow enough. That sorrow is enough for you because you have lost a loved one. Must you inflict further injury on yourself because you lack courage to cleanse your own heart? So he's telling that pain is only enough for you. So must you inflict further injury? Inflict means cause. Moreover, that pain you want to make pain and pain for yourself, injury, you want to make pain for yourself because you lack, means you lack, you are unable to come out of that pain, you are unable to clean that pain by yourself. So, why you want to injure yourself more and more? His words would not leave me, they gave me no peace. So his words, whose words? Gandhiji's words did not leave her. So after some days of serious struggle with myself, so there was a struggle, this question, answer towards her mind only. She asked for herself. I finally telephoned my brother-in-law. After that, she gave a call to her brother-in-law. I would like to see you and the family, I said before leaving. So before she is leaving to abroad, she told that I want to meet you all once. I hadn't been with them 5 minutes before. I sensed that my visit had brought a feeling of relief to everyone. She said that there is a, how many minutes? She said only for 5 minutes. And then I told them of my plans and asked for their good wishes before starting on this new stage of my life. So what did she say? After calling the relatives, she said that she wants to say, inform to the relatives that she has taken up a new plan and she is going to abroad. The effect on me was miraculous. I felt as if a great burden. So as soon as she saw the relatives and when she wants to share her happiness or everything with her relatives, then only she felt little, what is it? I felt as if a great burden, means the burden which was there in her heart has been released a little bit. Lifted and I was free to be myself. This small gesture was the beginning of a significant change in me. So this was a small change in her. A year and a half later, means after 1.5 years, I was in New York. Where she was in New York. As a leader of the Indian delegation to the United Nations. She was a leader from where? To the United Nations as an Indian delegation. Important to us was India's complaint regarding the treatment of people of Indian origin in South Africa. What was the complaint she has to face? Means she has to face a problem with the people. Indian people has been treated very badly. Where? In South Africa. This message has been gone to who? To Mrs. Vijayalakshmi Pandit, where she has to work under this topic. Where? In United Nations. Why she has to work under this? Because she was an Indian delegation. Harsh things were said by both sides. I resented. Means both the sides there was a talk, even from the Indian side as well as from the South Africa. So resented the manner in which my opponents made personal attacks harmful to India's prestige and to mine. So resented means it is an angry. She was very angry where harmful to India's prestige and to mine. Means there was a harmful to India's prestige. She got angry when there was a harmness for the India's prestige. I struck back with the same sharp weapon. So then, after a distressing duel of words, I suddenly thought of Gandhiji. Then only she thought of Gandhiji. Would he approve to him means were as important as the end. In the long run, perhaps more important. What if we succeeded in getting our resolution passed by questionable tactics that injured our self-respect? So she thought that let me take up after a distressing duel of words means what Gandhiji has given to her. So according to that, she wants to work out. Before going to bed that night, I resolved that come what might, no word of mine would be lightly used in the UN. So what when she before going to bed, she wants to recollect whatever she has been taken up. From then on, I lifted the debate back to where it belonged. Means again she started the debate. Means she corrected it, refusing to retaliate to personal attacks or to score a cheap point. Our opponents met us on the new level, and from then we argued the case on its merits. So according to that, again she took up the same case according to the merits. She has taken up the argued means that is the problems which was given to the Indians in South Africa. This was the topic she was handling. So according to that, she took the argument in the case on the merits. Before leaving the committee, room on the last day, before leaving the committee on the last day she has to complete this and she has to leave the place. So I went up and spoke to the leader of the opposing delegation. She went and spoke to the opponent, means opposite delegation. I have come to ask you to forgive me if I hurt you by any words or action in this debate. So she said, if I have spoken any harshly, so I think that I would like to ask you apology, means forgive me. He shook my hand warmly and said, so the opposite delegation shook whose hand? This is Vijayalakshmi Pandit's hand and said, I have no complaints on you. It was good to feel right with him, but even better to feel right with myself. She said that she is very better, means feeling very better in front of that person. Once more, Gandhiji's advice had saved me from myself. Again, this is the topic. Means here also she thought of Gandhiji only because she went and asked forgive. Means in case if she has spoken harshly or where she might have hurted anyone's mind, she wants to ask apology. So they too whom she thought Gandhiji only. His words has helped me retain perspective even in small matters. Even in small matters also she thought of Gandhiji only. Many women, I imagine, share with me a recurring nightmare. Someone important to you is coming to dine. So they said that someone is there to come for your dinner to your house. The guests have arrived. So that time the guest has been arrived. It is time to eat, but there is no dinner. You wait, perspiring, relieved to find it is only a dream. So what did she see? That is not the real thing. It is that where Mrs. Vijayalakshmi Pandit has been dreamt. But recently, it really happened to me. The next day, my guest of honor, the Prime Minister of Great Britain and Lady Aden, could hardly have been more important to me. So those people are very great and these are very important to her. High Commissioner for India in the United Kingdom, I have planned everything meticulously from the menu to the color scheme of the flowers and the candles. When the guests have arrived and drinks had been passed, twice I signaled the butler to announce dinner. So that time she wants to announce the dinner to the butler. Butler, the person who serves the food. But still, we waited when for the third time drinks came round. I excused myself and ran downstairs to the kitchen. So after that, the third round drink has come up. So she told them to wait a little while and immediately she downstairs to the kitchen. Means she came down to through the stairs where to the kitchen. It presented a shocking sight. In one corner stood a frightened little kitchen maid, in another the housekeeper. One side the housekeeper, one side the kitchen maid. At the table, Sat my cook, waving a ladle and singing, beating time with his foot. So he is sitting and playing over there. His eyes were glazed and he was far away in some other sphere. The table was littered with pieces of chicken here and there. The pieces of chicken was fallen. So she saw this situation. My knees felt too weak to support me, but I asked in as normal a voice as I could command. So in a normal voice only she commanded, "Why isn't the dinner ready?" What did she ask? Why isn't the dinner still ready? But it is ready, madam. My cook chanted, already. Everybody sit down. Sit down. She said that. Everybody sit down. Everyone see that you have your dinner. So she wants to inform them. It was furious. It was on the tip of my tongue to say, get out, you are dismissed. Means she wants to say that word, but again, to whom she is remembering, she doesn't want to give up that harsh words. Again, she remembers Gandhiji only. When I thought of the counsel that had clamped me so many times, if I lost control, I would only hurt myself. So she doesn't want to lose her control because she only will get harmed in that. I pulled myself together. Let's get something on the table, I said. Everyone pinched it. The food served wasn't quite what the menu described. Means the menu has been described something else, but the food on the table was different. But when I told my guest what happened, there was a chorus of surprise. So she has informed to her guest what has been happened. If this is what your cook gives you when he is drunk, someone is claimed. Means they said in case if this happens to you, what must he provide sober? The relief in my laughter must have sounded a little hysterical. My perspective restored. I realized that the dinner party, however important, so she realized that what is the importance of the dinner party? It is not the pivot of existence. It is not only the main part of that where the people come and take part in the dinner. To retain a sense of proportion is as important as being able to keep one's heart free from hatred. So, one's heart should be free from hatred. So, there should not be any hatred in your mind. For all of us, no matter what our work means, for everyone, it is informed that for no matter of our work, the advice Gandhiji gave me is meaningful. No one can harm you but yourself. Gandhiji told the sentence, no one can harm you, but it is you yourself harming you. So this is the lesson, the best advice I have ever had. So this is about Mrs. Vijayalakshmi Pandit. I hope you understood the lesson very well. Now the assignments you have to take is, see the page number 6. Some questions are there. That is, you are going to select the appropriate answer. A, B, C, D is given. Mrs. Vijayalakshmi Pandit resented her galling position. The galling position referred to here is in this 4 option, which is the right one. You have to tick it. As like that, 3 questions are given. You have to tick it there. And then question answers means you have to take the questions. Page number 6 and 7. Questions are there. Take down the question and write the answer. And then next is page number 8. Following are some extracts from the lesson. Extracts, who said this to whom? That is extracts. 3 extracts, mark it there, whichever I am giving. Some mails I will omit it. So which mail I am going to tell you to do, only that has to be entered in the classwork. So that following extracts, 3 extracts has to be written, then question answers. After that, options. First option, once again and repeat. First option, that is options, appropriate answer, options has to be ticked. That main you have to do. Then question answer main, second main you have to do. Then third main, extracts. After that, go for the page number 9. That is, complete the words beginning with re, re, which means the phrases given against each of them. See, make a decision, it is given there. Means resolve, re it is given. You have to complete it solve, like that. Other 7 is given. One I have told for you. Make a decision means it is resolve. Like that, complete the whole thing. Next is state that one is unwilling to do something. Refuse. So like that you have to complete that main also, and then classify the following qualities. Don't do that, leave it up there. Next you go for the a verb in page, that is page number 10. I have taken you nouns. So verbs and nouns, you know. Perform, you have to write, make a column. Perform, here you write P-E-R-F-O-R-M, perform. Here, perform, the verb here you have to maintain. How to write column wise? Perform is performance. Performance. Okay, a verb can paste and change the following verbs into nouns. These are the verbs. You are going to change this verb to nouns. So, perform becomes performance, like that. Continue, react, realize, treat, observe, express, involve. These you are going to complete in a column wise. Next. Combine the page number 11. Combine the following pairs of sentences by changing the adjectives. How to change the adjectives? I have taken there yesterday about degrees of comparison. In that adjectives I have already taken. Rajesh is a very amiable person. It has endeared him to his colleagues. So you have to change that amiable person. Like that, the italic word where it is given, you have to change it. So that page number 1. Page number 11. And the next is page number 12. Choose the right word and rewrite the following sentences. So, Bill is a careful or carefully driver. So, 2 is given there, words. Bill is a careful driver or Bill is a carefully driver. So, you have to select one from the 2 words. Like that you complete that main. Page number 13. In a group of 4, share each part of speech and complete the following table by filling the empty columns. Say, 1 is given for your realization, it is noun. Verb is realize, like that. Next is power, unpower, powerful and powerfully, like that. Complete the table. Noun, verb, adjective and adverb. Did you get it? Next, page number 13. Words used as nouns and verbs. The chief guest continued his speech after giving a pause to attend a phone call. Pause is a word. With that example, they have framed a sentence. Like that, you have to frame a sentence in your own. The words are there in the bracket. With that box, you have to take and select it. So here ends this lesson, and then all the grammar part means grammar means has to be written in grammar classwork, and only question answers that is extract, listen, extract, then question answers and choose the correct option. Choose the correct option. Only these 3 you have to enter, you have to write it in 200 pages. 200 pages. Single rule. English classwork. This is lesson number 1. Right, lesson number 1. The best advice I ever had. This has to be written in 200 pages. English, single rule, long book, which has been issued for you all from the school. From that book, from those books, you take one book, bind it, and start writing this answers. And remaining all this grammar should be written in the grammar book. Did you get it? And in the first class, I have given about the Mrs. Vijayalakshmi Pandit and a great personalities work, assignment work I have given for you. Remember, that should be a project work. that has to be done in the project book. Great personalities, you have to stick the pictures and write 5 to 10 sentences about them. This assignment I have given in the class 1. So that assignment has to be written in the project book. And first lesson, all the grammar has to be written in the grammar book. And question answers, extracts, and choose the correct option should be written in the class work. So these 3 books you have to submit it on 29th. So 29th is on 30th you submit. 30th Tuesday. 30th June 2020. Tuesday. Tuesday between 10:30 to 11:30 AM. You have to follow the timings strictly. Between 10:30 to 11:30 only you should submit the book to school on the particular day, 30th June 2020, Tuesday. 3 books has to be submitted. One project book, that is Vijayalakshmi Pandit, where that book carries marks, 15 marks. And then here, grammar book has to be submitted on the grammar which is there in the reader, and third, question answers in the class work. Did you get it, children? In case if you have any doubts regarding this matter, please message to me where I will answer to your questions in the message itself. Thank you, and we'll meet in the next section. Goodbye, children.